Get ready to revolutionize your drinking experience. To start, place the iron base within the wooden circle and make sure you screw it on tightly. Now, roll the Teflon tape around the ends of the tubes 7 to 8 times. This is how it should look. Next, place a fully closed silicone ring within the T, the bottom part of it. Now, place one of the hollow silicone rings on top, screwing everything tightly and securely. Place the other hollow silicone ring in the T. This is how it should look. Now, for the faucet, make sure it's also tightly screwed. Rotate it clockwise, and they should all look like this. For the fun part, place the nozzle within the bottle and quickly insert the bottle within the top of the T. Place a glass underneath the faucet, open it, and now you can enjoy your drink. Please note that the pourer suits most bottles, except some whiskey and wine bottles.